Hi everyone, it's Sheena from For the Love of Paper. And let me zoom out on my desk so you can see I've gone mad. I've gone mad. I'm so tired of being inside. I mean, I love to be inside, but since I'm forced to be inside right now till I get the results of my mono test, I am losing it. I'm hungry. I almost spent $20 on Domino's delivery. I don't even like Domino's. So I backed off. And I'm just going to do this video. I was doing a whole bunch of, I just felt like I had a deja vu moment. I did a bunch of texture paste. I have pretty much every page laid out of what I want to do. It's probably all distorted now because I was messing around. But let me zoom back in. There we go. So you can see what I'm doing. I did add more things. I'm adding more things. So this is the first flip. That's not changed. I don't think this is changed. I may have added that because something was bothering me there, so I put that. So that might be new since the last video. That doesn't go there. That goes with that. On a different page. This girl I want to put on here. So I have tons of stuff pulled out from all the different things I was doing. Don't feel like cleaning it up. I'm hungry. I don't feel like cooking. Kind of made myself like a, what's it called, a charcuterie board for dinner. Because that was easy. Got the blood work Friday afternoon, and the test has still not come back yet. So I'm obviously not going to work. I'm working from home, which is fine. I do that anyway, 3 days a week. But, oh, that was really not smart. I just glued that whole thing. Basically her whole upper half should not be glued. Okay. Just gonna grab a wipe. And try to clean some of this off. So probably more of that and the whole upper half. Okay, let's see where we go with that. Yeah. I'm going to put a piece of something back there. Piece of what? I don't know. Piece of plastic? I saw this out the corner of my eye. Scissors. I just need something. So if she... Yeah, like that. So she's glued. I think I need more. I went too low. I don't want to put my big head in the screen. Okay. So I added her there, and I want to add this piece and this piece. Kind of like that. And then I have this little bow here. I don't remember which way it goes. That way? This way. For like the top of this package. This is something I decided to add next to this tree, so it looks like a little present. I have no idea what that was. And that I'm gonna put here. Oh, you silly. I didn't think that through. Well, that's okay. Well, I don't like it. Can I save it? Yeah, that's a little better. And you don't see that I ripped it. I was way too crooked. Okay. Better. And then that's gonna go there. What is the problem? Okay. Glue coming out everywhere. So then I'll glue this whole thing down. Yeah, I don't eat Domino's and I don't even eat after 7 o'clock, so it's 7:30. It wouldn't even been delivered for another at least half an hour. I don't know what I was possibly thinking. There's something right there that's bothering me. It's like the thing. What is that? I'm gonna get glue on something that's not supposed to have it. I may have just been off screen. Sorry. Sorry if I didn't have all this stuff. I almost said a bad word. That's better. Yeah, that's better. There we go. So now there's a package on that page. I better move this before something gets wet. This little notebook, I pulled the pieces to it, haven't put it together yet. I have my cutter right here. I'm just gonna make that a straight, get rid of that part that I ripped. And I'm gonna fold this over. So there's some dotted paper, some newspaper type paper, different dotted paper. That shouldn't be like that. This one, this one, this one, there. So just some random pieces like that. Some of them are flipped up too that are a little bit extra long. I don't mind that. I do like that this is a little bit tatty. Like that. I think I need to tear just a little bit off of there. I'm trying to decide. Maybe I will, is that piece all the way up there? Yeah, it is. Little big. Little. Just guessing. What else do I have over here? I feel like I have those little round things here. This. That. And like this. Oh, something's itching me. There we go. That. And then I can remove that paper clip because that was just holding it. So that's gonna go there. I just need to tear this piece. It's just a little too long. I don't even mind that. So that's gonna go on there. And, oh, something is itching me. I'm really going crazy up in here. I'm gonna hot glue that down. And earlier, I had some things. Where did I put it? This is Painted Seasons Stampin' Up. I don't know how old it is. A while old. Oof, something is itching me. This is a little pine cone. Should I test it first? Probably. I think I had a hair tickle in me and now I'm going mad. Okay. Perfect. Okay, this doesn't, yeah, some of this does. This doesn't. I don't remember where that goes, but back here, maybe there. So I turn the hot glue gun on and then I can glue that down. This, this goes down first. Last night I sat down and like planned all these out, but then till I was done, I was done. So that's there. Oh my goodness. Put these girls down. Here, like that. This thing is almost empty. It's the very first one I got. I don't think I've ever refilled it. I mean, I have a big bottle, but I've never had to refill it yet. And I've probably had this for 2 years because I definitely had it before I moved. And I've been here 1.5 years, so over 1.5 years, really. So that is there. This is gonna be a pocket. What goes in the pocket? That goes there, and this guest check I think was in here. Yeah. I think that was in there. I just did some stenciling on it, and there's like kind of like a faint snowflake on the back. And then this one goes in here, like that. So, I think I feel like this was, does it stick out a little bit? Is that what I had thought? I don't remember, but I'm gonna go as close to this side as I can. A little wobbly. I really don't want to overlap, so I'm gonna chance it sticking out some. Sticking out some, sticking out a lot. Let's see what it looks like. Entirely too much. Entirely too much. So happens if I just cut the edges off? The white part. I actually don't mind that. Better, better, better. Okay. Well, I guess I did cut off more than whatever. It's fine. It is fine. I want it that way with the rose sticking out. So do we have this heated up enough? Wrong side. Okay. I know some people don't like hot glue gun, but it's quick and easy, and I do. So there's a little flippy pad. Where to go? I feel it, but I can't see it. Okay, so that's on there. Good. And then this page is good. This one is what? This, that was there. This, I think this was here like a pocket. And this bow was on the deer. Were these somewhere tucked in behind? Maybe there, I don't remember. But I do know this needs to be grunched up because it's too white. Okay. Oh, there's a star here too. Who knows where all this stuff is coming from? I need ink. Here it is. I'm going to turn off my hot glue before I forget about it. I have left it on for days and left here. I'm looking for this hole. Right there. So I probably should glue this on first. I was really trying to strictly do Tim Holtz, but I need bases for some things. So I pulled in obviously some other papers, and still decorations are all Tim Holtz. Okay, so that's that. I don't recall. Was that in there? And this goes on first. Not perfect there. The deer. This is really fiddly. And I'm not dainty by any means. Okay. I don't like that thing right there. It's gone. So glue this down. Very carefully. like that. Where's its bow? This. I feel like I've been doing so much crafting. I had a dream I had to do some kind of craft painting for a project for college, and I've been out of college for a really long time. I think, I don't know. That looks huge. Maybe because I'm trying to put it up too high. That's fine. This wishes is gonna go on. Yeah, so like me, you're probably thinking like there's nothing about you that sounds like you have mono, because in my opinion, or my understanding, if you have if you have mono, you are like really ill. Obviously I'm not really ill, so I think that they are wrong, but until I get the results back, here I am. I don't know where that was. I really don't. This was up here. I don't know. They're both going that way then. I don't like it that way though. I don't know, I'll hold off until I think about it a little bit more. What am I up to? 22 minutes. And I've done 2 pages in 22 minutes. So that was somewhere there. Was that underneath maybe? I don't know, but that's where we're gonna put it while that's still wet. Right there. Where's the thing? This thing. Okay. No, stop trying. Okay, now this, I don't remember what. Maybe they were there. No. Yes. I don't remember. Because I was really messing around with this. Maybe that. Was this on here? Like that? I don't think that belongs here. I don't know where it does belong, but I don't think it belongs here. I have some other pieces that I've since. I think that's good. Is that gonna fit there? These are the recipe cards, not the ones I was looking for, but I just found these. Maybe this. This is just an index card with like a little Christmas girl with a candy cane. So put that in there. These are all things that go somewhere else. What about this is just like a little vintage work card. I don't want that there. I do not recall Well, you know, maybe a tag was there. Maybe one of these tags, or this, maybe that's what it was, I think, as a piece of ephemera. And I don't know if you can see that, but I put some texture paste on there. It's I added a little bit of color to it and some glitter to the texture paste. So it's kind of like a gray. I think that's what goes there. I'm still not convinced on this thing though. That's supposed to be like a pocket. Is this the right side? Is this the right side? Maybe this goes here. And this is supposed to be like this. And this goes behind. Maybe that's what it was. I think. Well, let's just go with it. So I can ink this up. And it would be these two sides. Right? Yes. There. Scoot a little. Okay. I'll ink this. I haven't been inking things for a really long time, but it's the white edges that can get to me, like that are bothersome. I don't want it straight. My assignment says stamp order finally shipped. It should be here in the next 2 days because it's coming from Ohio and I'm not that far. So it could come in to Harrisburg overnight, which would be nice. I just want the edge of that. Like that. I know this is not where, this was not the thing. I mean, this is not where this was supposed to go, but it is now. And then I took some texture paste and some ink and kind of just made that a little grungy on the back. So that's gonna go there. I don't know that that is what that, does that go there? I don't think so. I don't think so. What about this card? It's a vintage card. Stick in there. So it's just sticking out. Okay. Next. This one. This goes here. There's some pieces in it. Maybe. Where'd that little thing? That little word thing. This can stick out the top of that too. Too matchy. Where's the green thing? There's this piece of old game card to break up the color a little bit. There. That goes on first. And, aw, you silly goose. I put it on that way. What if I cut the flap off? So that goes on first because this is supposed to have this across it and that this across it like that, and then this obviously is going to go on top of that like this, and this girl and this wreath. like that. And this ticket was going to go somewhere. And then these things go back in there. And this goes over here. That goes over there. Yeah, those all are part of that. I should probably shut that. Okay. First thing is this needs color. Where is the brush, this thing? Just needs something not so stark white. And this is gonna go on here. You can do it. This is not a piece of Stampin' Up. No, Stampin' Up. What are you talking about? Tim Holtz. It's like something from Hobby Lobby. Okay. So that's down. And this needs inked. I'm going to, where is it? Oops. I'm gonna use this thing, but I'm gonna do it over my basket. Just to rough it up a little bit. Like that. And then I have to fit this in it. I don't want it even. I want it off center like that. So this can go down. I think that's good. This needs some inking. I see a lot of white. Okay. I feel like a reckless crafter today. Because, so let me just hold that there a second. This goes in there. This goes in there. And that's gonna go in there. And then this is gonna go on here, so I'm just gonna glue and chop. So that's gonna be like a little band on there. Come this way a little bit. Okay, scissors up here somewhere. So I'm gonna chop that off without chopping the envelope apart. Okay, the next one is this one. I did something in the very last page that I'm excited about. I don't know, at least on anybody's Waterfall journal that they've done themselves. I've not seen them do this, so that will go like that, and that's gonna go like that. I think that this needs a little snippy right here. Do you think that's gonna go in there? There we go. So then this is ready to go down. It's not all the ephemera am I decorating, because I feel like that's part of the fun for you. At least it would be for me. That's my logic. So we're going to put this up a little bit higher. There we go. And this one's gonna go like that. So I guess maybe from here down. I'll put more on these since it probably dried a little bit. Oh, you're not staying. Okay. See a little glue there. I think I need a little right under here because there's nothing behind this. Right there. And this has a Tim Holtz tag in it. And then the other thing, no, not that. Where is, there's a tag that has, what's this? Nope, that's not it. I gotta move, my foot's falling asleep. Ugh. No. Oh, here it is. This tag. And then I'll put some string in it, but I put a little, if this one's more like gold or like a cream colored with glitter in it. And I use, let's see what I have here. I use this texture paste. I used, I think, like a squirt of this Gathered Twigs oxide spray. And I use this glitter right here. This is like a pack from the Dollar Tree. And it's actually just kind of ripped right there, so I just shook it in to make it. So tabs and strings I will have to come back through and do. I'm just trying to get the bulk. My foot is tingly so those are in there. This I think was gonna come out of there like that. Yeah. If I get my sweatshirt in that. Okay. So this is gonna tuck up right there. And I think I want a little glue here. There. I don't want it so that you can't get in and out of this. Girlfriend? Yeah. No. That's good. So then that will have like a red string coming out of that. Is this maybe here? I was gonna say the thicker, but I guess that's kind of true. The more bulky this gets, you gotta be careful with gluing stuff down. So, okay. This is a pocket with this and this, these two. I don't remember where that was supposed to be. This is gonna be back there. And this, maybe what I'll do is not glue this end in, I don't know that I like that there though. How much real estate do I have? That's okay. Like those two like that. I don't want the bird. Yeah, it's not going to show anyway. So like that. This, I can't remember if this was in front or behind, but I remember I want him sticking out a little. So, oops. Kind of there. Because it should show, come on, like mom, little girl, little boy, was my thought. So that's gonna go on there. I don't remember what the deal is with this. Berries. But I'm trying to connect the berries here, the berries here. This guy was somewhere. I don't remember where. Part of me feels like it was on top of there. But then you really cover up the slit. I don't remember. No, berries on top. Let's bring this way. You go that way. You go this way. Maybe that's fine. Like that. And I do not recall where this was tucked in at. It could have been on this page. I don't remember. But I also did this tag and put some yeah. I think that is gonna be how it goes. Could I maybe stick, no. That will stick out more when string's coming out of it. So that's an extra piece to go somewhere. I also made this. I grunged it up and have that little like, I don't know that that's necessarily winter, but it looked like berries to me, so that's why I chose it. And the, where is it? I have no idea. I'm not even gonna try. Oh, here it is. I see it. This stencil has a 15 on it, so I have a reverse 15 on here because I obviously did the stencil the wrong direction and caught the number, but that's fine. So this, I don't know what I'm doing with those, should go here. I also, I don't know when or why I got rid of a lot of my Christmas stamps. So I did purchase some vintage stamps so that I can, like, even though this has this on here, I still might put like a little bell or snowflake or something stenciled with like ink or whatever. I need to settle on this. This might be my last page. What am I up to? 40, what does that say? 43, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm going to stop. What time is it? Almost 8:15. Okay, so you are gonna go here and he's gonna be just sticking out. And this is really fiddly. Okay. So he is there. What in the world? Straight. And what happened to the white? Very good, very good. These berries go. Do you think I could scoop that underneath there? I'm just gonna let that like that a second. Put these berries in. want to stick that. Oh, you didn't think that through. And it's not inked very quickly. Quickly. Okay. This is reverse. Everything is going on in reverse. I really wanted those numbers to show, but this. I'm decorating the pocket before I put the pocket down. Okay. And because I did that, I'm going to have to, that looks good. Move this out of the way. I am terrible at gluing a line like this. Let me try this direction. Whoa! Okay. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that side. Well, it's there now. Please come down just a little bit. Little bits. Okay. I think it was okay because I decided this was going to go this direction. How low can you go? Do you know I want that this way? And this. And then this. Very good. Okay. Good. It all fits in there. And then what's next? This one was already done. Oh, I should have kept my hot glue gun on. It's okay. Look at this big ball of glue beads. I'm gonna put that there. It's a vintage snowflake. It's in, like, I got this big basket of vintage buttons, like a basket, wicker basket from a, what do you call those things? Not a yard sale, auction. This goes in here. So this is the plan for this page. I don't know. I think that slid down. This is a pocket with this, and then it's going to have these two cards in there, and maybe I don't know where this is going to go because it's going to be very tall. I might have to like fold it in half maybe. I'm not doing that right now though. Yeah, this, I'm stopping. But this is what this is supposed to be. Like this. And then a pocket. And that gets glued on there. Maybe this can go in here. Like that. I don't want that bird covered up like that. Like that. Good. And that will have to glue down with hot glue. So then this is what this page is going to look like. Then we're at the back. And this is, how does it go? I had to cut some of it out. So that's going to go there, and it's going to be a pocket. This is going to go behind. This is going to go behind. And this must go somewhere else. This must go back somewhere. These two pieces are going to have to go back that direction somewhere. Then this, so then that goes like that. This is the thing here. It will be, this will go on here. Santa Man, will you please move? That's gonna go on there, something like that. And then somewhere, where? There's something else that goes there. Where is it? These kids are gonna go here with a 2 and a 5 back there. This is gonna go across here. this is going to be a band. And then this little journal that's going to be decorated here. And oh, I know what it is. It's a sticker. It's like wish list. Yeah, this wish list or Christmas or something is going to go on here with something else. And then this is going to slide up underneath there. It's going to go as far over so I can still see that 270 because I really like it for some odd reason. And you can still completely open this up flat like that because there will be room, or you can slide it out and then have this little Christmas journal that you can write things in, or collage, or whatever you want. So that's what I'm decided I was going to do differently. So you have tons of space throughout to do different things, and you're getting a journal inside of a journal. Haha. Yeah, so this is going to be like this. So then ultimately when it closes, it's going to be a chunky one, but obviously that's not going to be, that's going to get cut down. And this is going to go there. But this is, other than some tabs and stuff, this is what it's going to look like. This is one I did myself. This is, again, like the gold. Can you see the glitter? Not really. But I used that same stencil. I was just playing around. Okay. I am done for tonight. My throat is starting to hurt. Is everything closed? Ink's closed. All these are closed. Okay. I am done, but it's coming along. And like I said, I have more stencils coming and stamps coming, so I can add little things in different places. Like even something like this, I will, well, maybe not that one. But this doesn't have anything on the back. Could have a little stamp, could be a little writing space, a little note. The same with this. They'll all get vintaged up. This might get a little stamp or stencil on the back. That's just clipped on there, but could get a little stamp. This flips open. Again, I could do a little stencil or stamp. So, not fully finished. This is just a thing. Oh, I remember that was there because I didn't want it to dry. So this will get vintaged up. Probably a stamp. I love the addition of the package there. I love that. Next to the tree. Now that's done. This is good. Like that. Something else might tuck in there. I don't know what. There's these two things. I do have, let me see. That needs vintage up. That's too much for that small little pocket. Maybe some Christmas, oh, this goes somewhere. That was on my chair. A recipe. The Christmas recipe, maybe. Chicken and peppers. Nope. Beans. Baked beans. Strawberry ice cream. That's not very Christmassy. Crumb cake. That has potential. The Lipton Kitchens. Yuck. This is chewy maple cookies. Okay, that's the one. It's not very rustic, but it is old. High Hopes Farm. Worthington. I don't know what MA is. I'm not going to say it. Rhubarb pie. Pumpkin dessert. That's fall. Egg stuff. Egg stuff. That's exactly what it says. Egg stuff. Mexican soup, no. Pumpkin squares, that's for right now. Pumpkin swirl, that's for now. What's it say? Oh, chili rellenos. I thought it said something about Doritos. Chocolate cherry bars. I kind of like that. That's more vintage looking. Spinach balls. Date bars. Is a date like Christmassy? What's this? Recipe for 9 beet soup. This looks like my mother's handwriting. Stuffed potatoes. Stuffed potatoes. Oyster crackers. I really love this handwriting. I love that handwriting. Baked what is that? I don't even know. There's a couple on this one. Holiday crab dip and fried oysters. What's that say? Something jeans. Fried oysters. Maybe the person's name is Buck Jeans. Oh yeah, it must be because it says Ruth Graham. This one doesn't have a name. I love that handwriting. Tara Chase. I could get the holiday crab dip. It's just not, it says holiday. That's the only thing that really makes it holiday-ish. What's this? Old-fashioned biscuits. Chocolate drop, no bake. I don't like that. That says Similac at the top. Oh, how about this Christmas punch? Perfect. That's the one. I got this off of eBay, I'm sure. Like a whole pack of things. Yeah. Holiday punch. Okay, that fits in there better. All right. See, I keep adding things. I just keep adding and adding things. That goes there. Fine. This is going to go on here. I stopped there. What's up with this? No spent. Let's go back this way. What if I put this in here? Too. Like that. And then that will have a string coming out of it, like red or something. Good. It breaks up what I did to that guy's check. Okay. Very, very good. All right, I said I was done 10 minutes ago. Have a good evening. Bye.